We just bought this wrecked Toyota Sienna from an auction without knowing what was wrong with it. When we saw the auction listing, it said it has mechanical issues, so it could be something very expensive to fix. Our goal in today's video is to see if we could get it running using less than $100.
Corona, recover.
It's in. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna hold it here with all my life.
Okay, wait. Time out.
Ow, my
Time
hands,
out.
man.
Not even in all the way, bro. You need some hammer action. Hey, be careful.
Bro, I don't think she's as dumb as you, bro. I've never heard anyone fall with an electric bike, bro.
You let go. Put your hand. Get down on your knees. Bend down.
Yeah, get down.
Stretch your legs for a day. No.
Where, here?
From here, push it up. That's it.
I'm pushing it up.
It didn't move a single centimeter.
I'm pushing.
Oh my goodness.
I'm pushing.
Are you that weak?
Shane, I thought you work out.
Two hands. There you go. Good job, Wally. One more. Oh yes. No. A little bit more. No. Oh yes.
Yo.
Yes. A little more. Yes.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Come on. Look at this, guys. It went in.
Wow.
MashaAllah.
Let's go. It finally went in.
Come look at this fitment. Oh yes. Okay, no more being gay. All right, come here. Come record this.
Guys, look at this fitment. Perfect. You don't see nothing. Like this is meant to be this for the LED lights that we're gonna put in.
Yeah.
Trust.
You see that spacing is beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna take the grill off here, and then we're gonna put it on there. Okay, we're gonna start here.
Yo, Marv, you think you'd be sad when Iftikhar moves?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah.
Ow! No, it cut in half.
You got hurt?
Yeah.
Good. Like that. Guys, right now the time is 7:33 and we only have 10 minutes to fix this car. And look at the car. You see this? What? How are we gonna fix this? Oh my goodness. Alright guys, now we're gonna put this grill on this. You ready to see this satisfying this? Ready?
Yes.
Alright, look. You watch this. Ready guys? Listen, ready. Let's shut up! Move! No, you're gonna break it! Alright guys, next we gotta put this grill on there. So in order to do that, we gotta take this screw off.
10 mil, blood.
Who hired these people?
Dang, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
Bismillah. Yes! We don't need to screw it, we're gonna tape it on. Alright, we're about to put the grill on, guys. Watch this. Catch this. Ready? Three.
Are you done with your side?
No. I had it. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. Zoom out. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Fitment, bro. I can't even fit my finger through it.
Yeah. Come on, look at this. Come on, come here.
Air intake right here.
Oh my goodness. This is what you call airflow, bro. Come on. Oh yeah, you see that? Oh yeah. I don't know what that's there for, but yeah.
You screw it in.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, yo. It actually goes hard, I'm not gonna lie.